how to see other viewers on Facebook story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how we can see the other viewers on Facebook story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you constantly post stories to Facebook, you might have noticed that sometimes whenever you post a story, it is going to show a list of people's name who has viewed your story. But when you look at the very bottom, you might find an option called other viewers. So 9 other viewers, 2 other viewers, 1 other viewers. So before we try to see who those other viewers are, we have to understand why that those other viewers come in the first place. So you know that if your story is set to public, regardless of whether you're on friends with the person or not friends with the person, if you're friends with the person, their name will going to show up in your story seen list. But if you're not friend with the person and that you have set your story privacy to public, anyone on or off Facebook will be able to view your story. But Facebook is not going to give you the data as to whether that person viewed your story or not, because that is not in your friends list. So basically the other viewers on your Facebook story are those people who viewed your story but they are not in your friends list. And to be precise and to be honest, it is not possible to view those other stories. However, you can prevent those type of other viewers in the future by simply setting your privacy of your story to friends or only some specific friends. In order to do this, you can just tap the 3 lines option, then tap the gear icon over here, and then you simply want to go to privacy checkup. Once you go to privacy checkup, just go to the option called who can see what you share, and then just go to your story over here. So let me just go ahead and select story, and once you select the stories option, you should be able to go ahead and then set the story privacy to only your friends, so that you can prevent such type of other viewers in the future. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.